Hey everyone, I hope you're all doing very well. I've not spoke to you in a few weeks, but what I would like to do in this video is talk about SafeCoin's SafeNodes. These are being launched very soon. In fact, Jeff has made an announcement for the SafeCoin community to advise people how they can send their funds to a SafeNode address in preparation of the nodes being launched. So this video is really for people who have SafeCoin, people within the SafeCoin community, and it's also for anyone who's thinking about investing into the SafeCoin project, and maybe now is the time that you do want to get involved with SafeNodes being rolled out. So I don't want to talk too much about the SafeNodes themselves because that has been documented on the SafeCoin website and I've kind of touched upon it before. But the tiers are 10,000, 50,000 and 100,000. But the way they've set it up is really interesting because say you have 40,000 coins, you don't have to set up 4 nodes of 10,000. You can just set it up in one address, one node. And if you went out and you bought additional coins, you went to SafeTrade, you bought some more SafeCoin, you sent it to your SafeNode address, then when you get over that 50,000 coin mark, you will automatically be put into tier 2. And likewise, you go up over 100,000, you will be put into tier 3. So the way that they've set it all up is really interesting. It's a simplistic way. It makes sense. You know, you don't have to set up multiple nodes and multiple setups. The whole thing is set up in a very sensible way, let's say that. So I just want to talk about Jeff's announcement about this. So he made an announcement on Discord initially. This information is also available on Medium. But I just want to go through the process. And I just want to go through very quickly the process because Cameron has already did a video about this and I recommend viewing his video about that. So the first step is to go to safenodes.org. And when you do this, you can create a new wallet, and effectively what you have to do here is just add a password. Now you can do this by using a password generator website. The one that I use normally is passwordsgenerator.net, and you can enter a password, a secure password. Now you have to enter at least 20 characters. I initially used 20 and then I went back and I used 50 after I saw someone else saying just, you know, it's so much more secure to use more characters. So I used a 50 character password. It does seem to be more secure in theory. So you enter your password, and when you do that, you will then generate your new wallet, and you will be provided with a lot of new keys, and a little bit overwhelming at first. There's a lot of keys and there's a lot of addresses. But effectively what you need here is your collateral address and your safe key address. But what I recommend everyone do is print this out, save it as a PDF somewhere very secure. You don't want this information to be given to anyone else, but make sure you have at least 2 copies of this, a printed copy and, you know, perhaps one on a USB encrypted drive or something like that. But when you have stored that information, it's all secure, then what you're supposed to do is send your money to the safe collateral address. So the safe collateral address is the funding address. It's your SafeNode URL for sending your money to the nodes. And you can see here, Jeff says that you fund the safe collateral address. It may be any amount or above 10,000 safe. Tier amounts of 10,000, 50,000, 100,000. Compounding will be permitted. That's it for now. Now, there's going to be further steps. Now, just to kind of say again about Cam's video, because I've kind of went over that a little bit quickly. If you go step by step, I'm sure you will be okay, but please do refer to Cameron's video. Cameron did a really good video about this and he broke it down much better than I have, how the process works, and it gives a little bit more information about, you know, why it's set up that way. So check out Cameron's video. I'll leave a link down below, and if you've not subscribed to his channel yet, show him some love, subscribe to his channel as well. Now, I followed Cam's guide. It really did help me, and I followed Jeff's recommendations there. Now, this is why I wanted to do a video about this, because I had a good understanding of how to set up the keys. You know, you just put in a password, you get all your keys, you back it up. I understood all that, but I wanted to do a video. To kind of give you guys a better understanding of the full picture, because I had a few other questions about how it all ties together. Because up until now, I have stored all my funds in the Safe wallet, the SafeCoin GUI wallet, and I wasn't 100% sure how it all tied together, because you've got the paper wallet, or you've got the safe collateral address wallet, the URL. How does it all tie together? So yeah, that's what I want to talk about now. Now, it's worth noting that when you generated that wallet, you also get a safe with WIF key. Now, that's quite useful because it means that if you want, you can access that wallet online, or you can access it through the GUI wallet or the Lite wallet, but just by entering that key. And it's effectively your passphrase key, your seed key. And it will allow you to send and receive and all that. But I'm not going to be, well, I probably won't be using it in that way. I won't be using it to access it through the GUI wallet. What I'll be doing is just keeping the funds on that safe collateral address. So the idea is you keep your funds for your nodes in that one address or two addresses, how many nodes you set up, and you keep it there and it's secure. Now, the interesting thing about that setup is that I can launch the node, I can launch the Safe Wallet GUI wallet on my computer, and I don't have to have any funds there. None whatsoever. So from a security point of view, the way that they've set it up is really interesting, and it took me a while to understand how it works. But effectively what they will be doing is, more information will be coming about this soon. This is why I can't really be specific about what's going to be happening. But essentially what will be happening is they will use, I think it's the safe key, and the safe key will be added to the wallet config file. And what that does is essentially sync your GUI wallet with the node. You're saying, yes, we are together, we are one. And you're saying that the nodes, they'll still be paid into the node address, but you're saying that the wallet is synced. So the wallet will act as the node, but your funds will be stored on this separate wallet. Now, the beauty of that is that you can have your collateral address, your SafeNode URL address, you can have your SafeNode address, and you can have that stored in a security box. You can have it in a secure USB drive. You don't have to look at it in order to load the node. And that's quite good because it means that you can run the node without worrying about if someone got access to your computer, they can get access to your funds. They can't. Your funds are secure. They are away from the node. Now, I'm not sure if I'm explaining this properly. I found it a little bit weird to get my head around it at first, because I was like, well, why do you need a GUI wallet if you're also using that? But what you can do is you can actually use the GUI wallet as the node. You can continue to use that as a wallet, generate new addresses. If you want, you can use SafePay on your phone instead, just to do normal transactions. But essentially, you'll be launching the GUI wallet on your computer. That will operate as a node, and the funds will be stored on the collateral address. So to summarize, say you have 10,000 coins and you've got it sitting in your safe wallet, your GUI wallet on your PC. What you would do is send those 10,000 coins to your newly created safe collateral address. So all your coins will be in this new safe collateral address. Make sure you back that up. Back up the password, back up the PDF kind of document that is generated with all the different keys. Back that up, print it out, keep it somewhere safe and secure. Do not give that to anyone. So there's 10,000 coins on your newly created safe collateral address. On your GUI wallet, you will have 0 coins, because everything will be on this new safe collateral address. And what it means is that you can run your GUI wallet, use it as a node, and all you have to do is enter your safe collateral address to the config file so that it syncs, so that it knows that, okay, this is the node and that's where the funds for that node should go. So your GUI wallet will operate as a node and the funds will go to the collateral address. Does that make sense? I hope so. It's a really good setup, because when I first started looking at this, I was thinking, well, how am I going to send funds and all that? But the idea with this is that if you have your WIF key for your safe collateral address, you can enter that into the GUI wallet, the native wallet, the web wallet, and at any time you can go in, send and receive coins, and then close it down. You don't have to have your funds in your actual wallet all the time. From a security point of view, this is much, much better, much more secure. Now, I'm not sure if I'm explaining this properly for everyone. This is kind of how I wrap my head around it. Excuse me. I think most people from the SafeCoin community will have a good understanding of it. Follow Cam's guide, follow Jeff's guide with it, and as I said, you're really just setting up a password and then saving the keys that are generated. But the idea is that you run the GUI wallet and your safe collateral address is separate. Now, I'm sure many of you who do have SafeCoin and many in the SafeCoin community will have more questions about this. Bear in mind that this is simply preparing yourself for the nodes. There's going to be more announcements soon about how this all ties together, more announcements about, you know, how you set up your node and how you get it running. But at this point, what Jeff and the SafeCoin team are encouraging everyone to do is to send your funds to this collateral address. So set up a collateral address. This will be your node address. Send your funds there and then wait a few days or hopefully next week, and you'll have more information about how you can actually set up your node and get it running. From a node perspective, this is going to be so much easier to set up than other masternodes and node setups for other coins. It's a relatively easy setup, but I wanted to do this video because whenever you're sending your funds to another address and you're changing the way that you use your coins and the way that you manage your cryptocurrency, there's always a little bit of hesitation here, like, okay, what am I doing here? Am I doing this right? So hopefully I've not confused anyone. Hopefully I've clarified a few things. Follow Cam's guide if you want to know how to set up the WIF key. If you want to know how to set up the node keys, follow Cam's guide. He really goes into more detail than I have. And follow Jeff's guide as well. Just go through that. You should be okay with it, but just in case. But I'm really looking forward to this. I really do think that Jeff and the team have did something really special here. I think the way that they've set it up, having the node separate and the fact that the node can run without any funds in it, I really like that they've set it up that way, and it does seem to be more secure. Once I wrap my head around the fact that I was keeping my funds separately and not in my main wallet, once I understood why that was happening from a security point of view, I understood why it's so good, because it was a little bit different from what I'm used to, but once you understand why they're doing it, it actually makes more sense. From a security point of view, it means that there's, you know, very little chance of my funds ever being stolen because I've got them protected in a separate address that no one can access. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video useful, but please, if you get any more questions, please drop by the SafeCoin Discord. Ask Jeff, anyone from the SafeCoin Discord team, ask them for help, or even another SafeCoin member. And hopefully next week or so, we should have our node set up and we should all be generating money from the SafeCoin that we mined or bought. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video useful, and I will speak to you all very soon. Take care, guys.